Abby from the Cambridge Arts Festival. We're delighted to be launching in February, the 12th to the 18th, so make sure to pop that date in your diary. The Cambridge Arts Festival will incorporate a variety of different art forms. We've been chatting to the people of Cambridge a little bit more to see what art means to them. Art is... Nice answer! Art is...
What makes life fun?
Art is...
For everybody.
Intriguing.
Art is all part of life's rich tapestry.
Street art. For me, art is street art. I love all the street art that we see in Cambridge. The herons and the dinky doors. Great stuff.
Art, if an artist says it is.
Colours and emotions.
Art is...
Interpretation.
You see, when I think about art, it's kind of like a reflection of us, you know. What is a human body? It's kind of like a reflection of the universe. So art is kind of like creation of us. So it's basically the creation of the universe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.